Hi guys! Welcome to Andee and Liam Channel. Today, let's make an easy homemade ice cream with just 2 ingredients. And ingredients we need are 1 can Kremdensada chilled overnight and a cheese cut in cubes of your choice.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine?
First, pour the chilled Kremdensada in a bowl.
Another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute. Another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah.
Whisk until stiff flakes are formed.
Don't you love won't take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time. Bathtub, we don't gotta rush now. Never gonna rush now. Our life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute.
Then add the cheese flavor.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Just continue stirring for even mixing. Now, you can put the mixture to a freezer-safe container.
You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you
Put it on the freezer for 4 to 6 hours.
even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute.
Now you have it!
Stay a minute.
Delicious homemade cheese ice cream at the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching!